solve this question and let me know what you get. Or you can follow along as I solve. All right, so let's solve this question. Now we're supposed to solve for the value of x. So we have x cubed equals 303 cubed plus 404 cubed plus 505 cubed. So how do we go about this? Now let's establish a formula. We know that a raised to power x dot b raised to power x is the same thing as ab raised to power x. Okay, so that's established. Now we can rewrite these numbers in this form. So we can rewrite 303 as 3 times 101, 3, plus rewrite this as 4 times 101 raised to power 3. And we can rewrite this as 5 times 101 raised to power 3. So x cubed is the same as, let's rewrite this in this format. This becomes 3 raised to power 3. That's 101 cubed plus 4 raised to power 3. That's 101 cubed plus 5 raised to power 3 dot 101 cubed. Now we see that we can collect like terms on the right hand side. So, but before that, let's just multiply out these numbers. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64. 101 cubed plus 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125 cubed. Okay, so let's factor out 101 cubed. So this becomes 101 cubed into 27 plus 64 plus 125. All right, so let's add this up. So we have this 64 and 27. 7 plus 5, that's 12, plus 4, 16. 8, 9, 10, 11, 2. So what do we have? We have that x cubed is the same as, is equal to 101 dot 216. Now we know that 216 we can rewrite for it to have a cube root, and that is 6 raised to power 3. So 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36 times 6 is 216. Okay, so now this becomes x cubed 101 cubed 6 raised to power 3. So now to find x, we need to find the cube root across both sides of the equal sign. Okay, so this becomes cube root of this equals, we take the cube root of this. Okay, so we can rewrite this to be x 3 1/3 equals 101 power 3 dot 63 1/3. Right. So now we know that those can cancel out. So we have x equals, we have different bases, the same powers. Okay, so this becomes just like in this equation here, right? So this becomes 101.6 raised to power 3, 1/3. If you're enjoying this video, please do subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, leave us a comment in the comment section. Every time a new video drops, you'll be the first to get notified. And as well, make sure to share the video. Thank you very much. So let's carry on with the calculation. So 3 cancels out there. We have x equals 101 times 6. Therefore, x is equal to 606. And that is our answer. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, so let's solve this question. Now we're supposed to solve for the value of x. So we have x cubed equals 303 cubed plus 404 cubed plus 505 cubed. So how do we go about this? Now let's establish a formula. We know that a raised to power x dot b raised to power x is the same thing as ab raised to power x. Okay, so that's established.